Hello and welcome to a Figuarts Zero unboxing of the Super Saiyan Goku figure. So I got this one at a pretty good deal, I'd say. Off of Amazon, cost me around, I don't know, 70 bucks, give or take. And let's crack this bad boy open, see what's good. Some wrapping paper. Ah, what a beauty. So this is the Burning Battle series, where you have Goku, Super Saiyan Goku and legendary Super Saiyan Broly. Of course the Broly figure is on its way. I actually should get it pretty soon, and I will do an opening on that one as well. Jesus, this box is tough. There we go. Let's put that to the side. So here's the figure. Hope you guys can see that clearly enough. There it is with Broly on it too. I'm excited to put these side by side. Check out how this is good. Of course, official stickers and prints of Bandai and stuff. Always important to check for those. Let's get into the actual figure. Oh no, forgot some tape. Oh no. There we go. Let's get it out of the box slowly. There we go. Let's blow this up for now. Put it to the side. Let's see. Is there some more tape? Yes, there is more tape. Of course there's more tape. There's always more tape. There we go. Let's look at this. So, the figure in and of itself isn't that big, but the special effects it comes from are huge. Let's get this done carefully. There you go. So much plastic and tape and stuff. Okay, so here's the figure. As you can see, super pretty. Super pretty. Super Saiyan pretty, actually. There we go. I'll do a close-up of the figure at the end of the video, of course. So basically this is it. There's the figure, and I'll definitely do the Broly figure as well and put them side by side to compare. Well, there it is. Have a nice one.